have any proper training. But kidon kasap ban ak, kidon kasap nadong siya dong. We have to appreciate. We need to appreciate them. How we appreciate them? Nilai sikis nama hol, nilai pek sikis nama hol. Sakawai ngan ong, kam long kapop ban lek pek film has nama. Kam dai kapop ban lek pek film has nama. Kam dai kapop, kam dai. Nakata kadaw, kidai kisamla don sap. Ni reflect ye ki badon. Ni pen ye ki firm, but shim ye kita ki positive ki badon haka. Om judon kawai ka firm ka ban hikai sniu. Baro ki hikai ye ka babha. Ten rei haka jingim ma pen sna film ki don ki pa. Haka dai entertainment. Tring don la ka jong ka khubor bangin pa. Ba haka entertainment lele. Hilaya ye kitu ki bun ki violence kumang kita binong shot bro. Ten rei ka tu it's a part of entertainment. It's a part of entertainment. But ngengej scam. Bahakawai kasni. Nadu kinong tho script. Hadu kinong sinaji ruai. Kinong ruai. Kibadan ki studio. Kinong ring door. Ki editor. Kiba make up. Kibalai ki costume. Kibalai akan light. Transportation. Food. Ngin combine lang ikini. Bat kanong kajing mentoy. Nak benta joki. Hakani kenti ka ba benta. Onom dan su uban sina film silak arlak. Lada pisna kabarit kan no kanoru. Pia penut bet sipula. Ta kalong minimum. Tenrei lada ngimyo ya ka support naki pajba naka government. Nginom la ban yen selem hanu jung pijat ila ban kelon no ru. Bat ngiet scam ba menta kasngi ngin la ya ka ban le ai. Kendiat ya kwa ban ong ban penpau ya kata balai ni kwa khalang ya pisa ba fin take off ini ke issue till date ka film industry ni kum binong sa film belong confused. There should be a department looking after film. Education department. Nakamenta ban sina surap kadon kapirudi nam tajuk kisah ka building hoi pidi pej mapi kekit ka ba kadon transportation handrai haka film ke jungi hadu menta ka art and culture bat ka department of information and public relation ladang ngilet kendo IPR kinong khilet sya art and culture ladang ngilet art and culture kinong khilet sya IPR. And the government said that through the Honorable Chief Minister in the House, he has mentioned that the government of Meghalaya will come up with a film policy. And sir, through you, we want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for allocated 500 crore for the promotion of filmmaking in the state. 5 crore. Okay, but with regards to the drafting of the film policy, Lada, the government of Meghalaya, kampat notify which department bakin pek yang kena film, which department will initiate to formulate the film policy. That is the question. The menta Lada ke government kampat notify banong ba this particular department either IPR or agriculture bakin pek yang film enam dan bala ban initiate ban formulate yang film policy. Hakwai kalian ni welcome. But hakwai kalian pada ikwa aga government bakan ong any we leave it to the wisdom of the government to notify which department will be looking after the film. The balai namar bakan nong confused kan. Ya kan the fund which will be allocated by the government now will routed through which department. So in fact ikwa ya pisa pin yalam yang ikum ke association Syok Honorable Chief Minister bangin ya keren bat ingai scam sa pin le ya kan kidon bun ki point ki bangala ban keren dan rai let's say mapiru pikwa banyo ban sngow ya jing keren now chief guest banyi kwa ro banyo ya ki entertainment te kidon bun ki point ki bangi kwa ban develop ya kan ka film kecungi kum kanuksa hakiwai ki jela ya ka ka government ka ai free rate habide ba ki firm kum haka sonde ba kam bon ki breu ki kampen tam pemperem ketika haka monde pentak no ka tiket mar ka duna breu te ki ong ka free rate whereas haka state ka jongi la fix by da ka government but ong kat ni mo nam tharai ba ha center point kan fix the government ong disau kata-kata badi madan ditat ken ha center point kadon ke GST kadon ke katai te pihak kam sim ken the free rate kani kadai ka kasur ka bawan na kini ki exhibitor kum ka biju bat ki wei ki ong dei ban ai ka free rate can decide na ki ya kata bat kata kalau kani ka ilong uniform across the country tang hang ni hapo me kalia jingi ki ong kumta temni lei la ding subu ka tiket ni ko bandi san pho indi san pho ngim ong da bangin happen but ki but kadai ban sulong free rate to be the ticket has to be fixed by the exhibitor and the producer hakiwei ki jelaru ka government kum ban promote ki local film ki exempt ya ke GST na kam taban promote ki local film ki state intre kum pin ngatrai fi hab pati de ka Kashmir fine ma ki bun ki government ki ong intre ban sim GST nam ta ki local film jungi lelita ngaso kalong kabadon kam kalong kabadai bangim dai bat sim ki GST but still ngimda ang than ni kene ngir ngikloy ban contribute ya kene saga government but ring don ka jingai ban promote susu ni don kam exam ya kene ka GST te kum bangalaong ki don sibun ki point ki bangin kran dan rei kapor kamsha ngin senang ye kendu ye kini ki point ngin sa discuss thoro bat minister hak office jong pi lese len se bangin kran thadang nero kidang kapor kamsha te sa shisin ngaso ban ai kublai biang ya pi kublai sibun ya pi bat ngei scam bangin nanya trelang nang ne smart bat ngei scam bangin yo e ka jingkishan na government bat kabakam kong san na ki parado parasnam ki jongi kublai